So let's take another quick look at that visible part of the electromagnetic spectrum. And an interesting question you could ask yourself, if this is the range of visible light, the range of visible colours, is whether you can see all of the colours that you see in day-to-day life. And I notice already that there's a couple of colours missing. So for example, there's pink. And pink is quite interesting, so we'll mention that a bit more later. But there's a couple more really important colours that we're missing. A few very commonly seen colours which we're not seeing in this spectrum. So one example is white light. For example, most of this screen is white, so where is white in this spectrum? Well, it turns out that white light is an equal combination of all the different colours of light together. So let's say we mix up some long wavelength light with some short wavelength light, for example blue light. And let's go for something in the middle. So for example, green has a kind of middle wavelength. We call these colours together primary colours for light. And when we mix them all together, we see that we get white. So this here in the middle is what we get if we mix all of the colours together. Notice here that from this diagram we can see what pink light is now. It's what you get when you mix red and blue. So there's another kind of colour that we see a lot in day-to-day life, which we haven't seen in our spectrum yet, and that is black. So we often perceive things as black. So what does that actually mean? Now we see black when there is actually no light at all. So let's imagine we put a load of walls around us so that no light could get in at all.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.